What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we're looking at the Synco P1L. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, if you want to vlog with your iPhone, you can use this device so that you can have wireless lavalier from your iPhone. With this as well, you don't need any dongle or anything like that. It'll go directly to your lightning port. So nice beautiful box here, has Synco on the front here with a bunch of literatures. We'll put that on the side for now. And as you can see here, this is the PL1, all-in-one case there as well. Let's see what else in here. Here you'll see a USB-C to a headphone jack adapter right there, and also a USB-C charging cord. So this is the little device here, pretty cool. It just slides out right here, as you can see there, and then here we can pull out the mic receiver and the transmitter. There you go. This little thing as well charges the transmitter and the receiver, so you don't have to worry about plugging in individually. You just have to put it back in its case and charge it via USB-C on the side. So all you need to do is just click it onto the bottom of the phone like so via lightning port, and you're good to go. As you can see, it's pretty small there, no intrusion whatsoever for the iPhone. Let's put that on the side, and let's go ahead and put this on ourselves. So you could clip this onto yourself like so, and then you'll be able to record your audio via your iPhone. So this is it, everyone. I'm able to just clip the Synco P1L on my shirt here. This is the mic test for the P1L. As you can see, just clipped onto my shirt there. It has this light that is paired to my receiver. I'm gonna hit the mic here so that you guys can hear. There you go. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. Again, this is the test for the Synco P1L. Now, as you can see, you can use this as a wireless mic for your iPhone. It also comes with a USB-C version of this, which you can use for MacBooks and also for Android as well. You can use it pretty much any device that has USB-C. Now, on the receiver side, it has different effects as well. We're gonna click the button and let's see if it changes the sound here. So right now we have it set on the Studio FX, and I'm monitoring it via the headphone jack that is provided in the box with our headphones here. So we're just gonna click it again on the receiver, and let's see the next effect here. With this as well, it will announce what's going on up here. You will hear yourself having the different effects on the on your monitor, which is really nice, so that you know what's going on. It would even announce, let's say, it would say KTV effect or whatever effect you are on, so you're not going to be lost on where you are or what effects you are on. Now this is the voice amplification effects. This is a little bit better than the KTV or the studio effects. It mainly amplifies the voice. I don't really see much difference here, but it is a little bit better. Now that we are in EDM, I think the thing it's just a little bit weird here. This is funny. Yeah, so this is the EDM effects for the P1L. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if it's any good or not. It sounds so weird hearing myself. Let's do another one.
Now this effect is the baby effects. This is a good one. Yeah, so it just makes your voice a little bit smaller, kind of like a chipmunk. So weird. Let's go to the next one. Now this is the male to female voice. I don't understand this. My voice is still kind of like chipmunky slash the baby. I'm not really feeling this one. Let's go to the next one.
Now, I guess if you want your voice a little bit lower, my voice is already lower, so but this is just makes it more lower, I guess. This is weird. It's just very unnatural. Let's go to the next one.
Now this one is the monster effect. They just put it all the way down now. The bass is everything there. It changes your voice and all that stuff, so that's really good. If you are playing a game, or maybe you're just using this for vlogging, or maybe for doing stuff online like on Twitch, or maybe going live on YouTube. Whatever it may be, it's really good. It's nice to have effects on your voice if that's what you really want to do. Let's go back to the original.
There we go. Yes, finally, this is the original. Again, you can monitor everything on your headset here. This is mainly for studio style of recording only. It's not really for anything else, but I like the quality of the Synco P1L. If you want to charge your phone via USB-C on an iPhone, get one of these. There you go, USB-C slot, charging the P1L. It's also a USB-C to Lightning converter. Pretty nice. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the Synco P1L, basically a wireless microphone for your iPhone. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well, so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.